Good morning. My name is Martin Armoncada. So today, we will be discussing the importance of first aid in our daily lives. Thus, first aid can save a life of a person. And who are the person who can make a first aid? So these are the questions that we tackle in this video. So first, what is first aid? First aid is an emergency care given immediately to an injured person. The purpose of first aid is to minimize injury and future disability. In serious cases, first aid may be necessary to keep the victim alive. So there are 5 main aims of first aid. First is to preserve life. They can do their best to make sure that the patient is given the basic care, but preserving life long enough until the ambulance arrives. Secondly, is to prevent the escalation of the illness or injury. If the patient is bleeding profusely, the first aider will not stitch the wound, but they will do their best to stop the bleeding until the ambulance arrives. In that way, they will prevent further complication and health deterioration. Third is to promote recovery. Every action that the first aider takes should be in the directing of helping the person who has suffered an injured or sudden illness get better. The fourth one is to protect the unconscious. One of the important factors in administering first aid is the protection and safety for both the patient and the first aider. Protecting the unconscious can mean removing them from a dangerous situation, like fire, flooded space, or road with traffic. So, if there is a first aid, there is also a person who giving a first aid to injured person. These are called the first aider. So, what do we mean by first aider? A first aider is someone who is qualified to give first aid treatment in the event of an injury or illness. So the following are the qualities which a trained first aider should possess. First one is prompt and quick. Secondly is calm and controlled. Third, wise and intelligent. Fourth, resourceful. Fifth is sweet-tempered and sympathetic. 6 is skillful and tactful. 7 is dexterous and clever. And the number 8 is confident. With these qualities, first aider can really do well in preserving life of person. Remember, an efficient and resourceful first aider may be the link between life and death. So that's all. Thank you.